bringing you the latest in AI news, tools, and innovations. Let's get into it.
The AI revolution is about to hit a whole new level. OpenAI's latest breakthrough has everyone talking. And trust me, this is big. They're developing what insiders call PhD-level super agents that could change how we work forever. Picture an AI that thinks, analyzes, and solves problems like a top expert in their field. Here's the kicker. OpenAI's Sam Altman isn't just showing this to anyone. He's headed straight to Washington for closed-door meetings with government officials. Why? Because this isn't just another tech update. It's a game changer. These super agents aren't just smart. They're designed to tackle the kind of complex challenges that used to need entire teams of experts. We're talking about AI that could revolutionize everything from coding to financial strategy. And Silicon Valley's biggest names are already catching on. Meta's Zuckerberg and Salesforce execs are seeing massive productivity boosts with current AI. And this is just the beginning. But don't get too excited just yet. Even the experts admit we're still wrestling with challenges like AI hallucinations. The world of work as we know it is transforming before our eyes. The question isn't if AI will change your industry, it's how and when. So here's what you need to ask yourself. Are you ready for what comes next?
Want to stay ahead of the curve? Hit that subscribe button and let us show you how AI can transform your business. That's it for now. Catch you in the next one.